Well, hello there. What I have in front of me is the Little Trees air freshener, and the scent is Bayside Breeze. And it said that the scent is a blend of crisp apple and summer melon. And I love the picture that it represents, something similar to, the ocean dealing with water, like just anything where it's like in the summertime and you're enjoying yourself and you just get that wisp of fresh, good old fresh air. I love the smell. This actually is one of my favorite scents from Little Trees. I believe they have another one that I like, but I can't get them. But anyway, I've been using this for some good years now, and I don't know. This compared to a lot of other scents, I feel like it's a little bit stronger than this one. I don't know if it's because of the material it's made out of, or how I'm opening the pack, or how quick the smell goes out. But I definitely smell like when you have like the air conditioner on or something, and the heater on. That's when the smell is like, phew. I really don't have any complaints, with this air freshener at all. And you can see that the string on there, I wasn't going to take it out because I didn't want to waste it. So I'm just going to keep it in this pack, but I'm just going to just describe some of this stuff. But so it has a string attached to it, and then you can put it like over, overhead mirror and whatnot, and just let it dangle. Or some people I've seen hang it in their room. Yeah. So I guess I won't just subtitle for a car, but yeah, I have seen it in people's rooms before, but I just mostly just have it in the car. But anyway, I like I said before, I love the smell. My experiences with this car freshener, that when I had it in my car, people would smell this and they would smell the other car freshener that I had. I don't think it's the same brand name as this. It's like, it comes like in a jar. But anyway, they would be like, oh my gosh, it smells so good in your car, and I guess it helps too if you keep like your car clean stuff, because if you got a lot of scents going around, it's not gonna, I don't know if it's gonna do you any justice. You just probably just need to just air out the car and just, I don't know, really clean it thoroughly. But anyway, in my past experiences, people are commenting on how good it smells. Like, it smells fresh, it smells clean, it smells natural, and that's why I like this scent as well. I really leave the sense that it feels like it's trying to cover up something, if that makes sense. Like sprays or something, like if there's a aroma that kind of triggers your nose or something like that, and you use some type of scent and you put it over it, it doesn't smell like that scent before you sprayed with that product, or use an air freshener, but it's like it's a cover up smell. Like, it doesn't, I don't know how to describe it. Like I said, it's like a cover up smell. Like, it's trying too hard to cover this smell up. I guess you can say that. I leave those alone, because if I'm spraying something, or if I have an air freshener or something, I want it to where it smells fresh. Like, especially if you don't really have a scent in your home, it's just you have like a small, like a fresh scent, but sometimes you just want your house to smell like really good, or your car to smell really good. And my car just had a fresh scent to it. Like, it didn't really smell like nothing but me, or with whatever whatever perfume I had on and whatnot. And I just kind of just wanted my car to be alive. Or if you want your room to be alive or something, you have air fresheners in too. You just want just want to enjoy that scent. So I smelled this, and I smelled it from the tree right here where, you know, you can scratch and sniff. And I was like, ooh, okay, I like this. And I bought it. And sometimes I've seen my mom do this, which is so, I'm not going to say it's weird, but it's different. Whenever she feels like the smell went out, she would get like one of those oils, you know, that you roll on, and she'll rub it on the tree, the air freshener, and believe it or not, it actually smells like that, or it brings the smell out even more. And my mom is a big fan of smell good things. Like, she loves smell good products. Okay, she loves those. Like, she's a big fan of those. Like, if you need some perfume or something that smells really nice, she has it. So I pretty much just follow her tip, and it works. And on the back, just giving you a description, you know, of what it is, and kind of get a little summary of what to expect from using this product. How long does have last me? Maybe, I don't know. I want to say maybe a week. Maybe, but I think it's because I've seen some people tear off the paper. Some like don't use the whole thing, so that's probably my issue and my problem. Maybe I should just leave it out a little bit, and then keep the paper covered on the parts I'm not using. But normally it just lasts me a week and a half, honestly. Yeah, maybe it's just a week. But like I said, I take off the whole paper, so that's most likely the reason why. But it does have that boom smell to it. I smell things that smell a little bit stronger than this, but I love this brand, and I do love this scent. So go ahead and cop you some Little Trees Bayside Breeze.